So here's an example. This is what I'm trying to print, and every time the printer manages to get to about this point, what happens is the print hothead hits the corner in here and the thing moves. And it happens over and over again, even though I tried different settings. But here's a possible fix for you. What you can do is you can go to the settings of Cura and you can toggle this generate support, and what this will do is it will create another thing in here, like a plastic piece in here, which will stop it from hitting it. It's kind of weird because it says to support parts of the model which have overhangs. Without these structures, such parts would collapse during printing. I mean, this is a really small piece, which you can see the dimensions in here, but it still happens. Maybe there's some other issue, but for me this fixed it. So go ahead and try it. Activate this and then just slice it and have a try. It might fix your issue. Here you can see how it's printed the bottom part, the support structure. You can just remove the support structure with your hands after the print is done.